Afternoon, everybody. It's a bit of a parky one. A couple of little jobs I need to do today. One of them is to keg the Citra blonde. It's about a week over, but we should be fine. I'm just about to start doing a bit of star sanding and getting everything ready. I've got the keg over there. I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, so we've got some, well, it's not star sand, it's chem sand, it's very similar. So it's 10 mils per 5 litres. So these are 20 litre kegs. That's 20. That's 40. Cool. Put some in bucket, get these in, get these tubes and stuff in, the warm water, the connections already dismantled, get them down like that, and then a little bit, that's quite warm, a bit of okay, we're all good at that point. Just, somewhere, here we go. That's it. Okay, right. So we've tipped that out. Still got plenty of foamy stuff, but all pretty good, to be fair. Got that van to go. That's just finishing off in terms of my transfer roses. Sanitised all of that, we're all good to go. I'll take that out in a second, and that'll be about it. Okie dokes, right, let's have a quick look here. So let's put all the star sand stuff. Lid in there somewhere. Oh. A couple of additives showing a bit of a faff, but did it. A bit of clumpage there, but I think that will clear out nicely. Let's give it a bit of a taste. Wow. Got that slight bitterness at the back. Punchy flavours. Great stuff. I'll wait for that to do its conditioning in the keg. Right, we'll catch you later. Okay, so looking here, lighting's not brilliant, but there's a pill in the bottom. There we go. I also need to start thinking about how you save that and start using it again. Right, time for clean down. Catch you later.